So before joining them, so let me have a quick round of introduction, Amit. So from your end, so so what you do, and again, what's your studies, and again, how many years of experience you have, and again, why this course?
I'm loud and clear, right? Is
Yes,
it?
Amit. Yes,
Okay. So I'm a third year student of BITS Pilani.
great.
So during my graduation itself, I have chosen the DevOps field. Like everyone is running toward the web development and all, but the in the beginning of my graduation in the first year itself, I have chosen DevOps field. Like moreover to that cloud technology and all. So and I do have an experience. Like I am already certified in GCP, AWS, and Azure. And as of now, like currently, I'm working as a cloud SRE in HCL Tech, Hindustan Computer Limited. So that
HCL. Okay.
HCL only, like, but that is kind of an internship currently.
Mhm.
So that's the reason I have enrolled in this course because like after covering the DevOps curriculum, the next field is like MLOps, AIOps, FinOps, and agentic AI and all, right? So
Okay.
this is the one of the first step toward the agentic AI and all. And why like this GitHub and GitHub Actions? The reason behind, like, no one, everyone is just taking care of the cloud technology. They are not teaching this source code management tools. What are the security things here? Like what, how to fetch out the keys and all, integration about the pipeline and all. We all build like use the pipeline, but how we can build them. So that's the reason I have enrolled in this program.
That's really great, Hamid. So thank you for your great implementations. Fine. So we'll understand. So what you have a great experience already, the certified with the cloud certifications, and also you are very good at DevOps and again everything, right? Great. Fine. So this ML apps is fine for you. Yeah. So and again, we are very good at Python also.
Not very good, but see, I'm not given any exam, so I can't evaluate myself on that programming. But yes, in my current job role also, like I do automate the things through Python, and in my graduation itself, like in my curriculum, we have Python and Java in our graduation, and parallelly, like I have already built multiple small projects for my like summer camp program and hackathons and all.
Oh, great, man. Great. That's really great then. Okay. Okay. Fine. So your name is Amit, right? Yeah. Fine.
Amit Kumar.
Amit.
No, no,
So
please, can you remove the H at the end? This is one of the common
okay.
mistake we do.
Okay. So Amit. So current company, let me so it's for like my understanding. So where I can teach everything. Okay.
Hmm.
One second. Just I'll be filling this form, okay? Okay.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
So current so working, right?
You can write as a student because that's a internship, so that can end after a specific period of time.
Student and again internship. Okay,
Huh,
right.
yep.
Internship. Okay, fine. So let me know your email ID.
Email ID, it's its, no, no, not Amit. It's its05,
05
Amit, Amit Sharma
Amit Sharma.
at the rate gmail.com. You have to write zero in the front of five.
Yeah. So that's the keyboard issues. No
Oh,
issues. I'll be adding there. Okay.
okay.
All right. So which college now? Yeah.
College name Bits Pilani, company HCL Tech.
Which Pilani? Okay.
Pilani.
Oh, great. All right. So I think for Ashutosh, years of experience.
Years of experience, you can write like 1 year in the industry
Great.
or
1 year.
hmm,
1 year. Okay. IT.
yes,
Linux
yes,
knowledge.
yeah, I do have.
Great. Git knowledge. Yes.
Git, yes, understanding, yes.
Python.
Like on an intermediate level, or you can write beginner. Beginner is because I have not evaluated myself as of now.
Great. Cloud knowledge?
Cloud,
Yes.
yes, I am working as a cloud SRE, so I can
All three clouds.
all three
Great.
clouds.
CI/CD?
CI/CD, no, you write it no, because see, I have used it, but I don't know how the things actually work in the background.
Great. Interested in MLOps? Yes.
Yes,
GitHub Actions? Both, right?
both.
Great. So where is a few of them? There is Ashutosh, and again, few of them they joined, right? Fine. Okay. Anyway, I will take this contacts with you. Okay. And again, this is 05, right?
Yes, 05. If it's not visible on the Excel, no problem. I can give my another email ID to you.
Okay. 05. Just add it. Fine, right? Yeah. Fine, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Fine. So why this information to me? So this information where I can save and again I can send that accommodation also apart from this. Okay. Through email IDs. And again, I want to understand because these are the prerequisite for ML apps, Linux, Git,
Mhm.
Python, and again cloud, and again CI/CD, basic information. Okay. Okay. Where is Ashutosh and again few of them, four of them are joined. Naresh, everyone. We'll wait 2 more minutes.
No problem.
Okay. So meanwhile, I have designed like one more stuff. I will show this. Please go through this one. Okay. Okay. 1 second. So meanwhile, I'm Vishwanath. So my alias name is Veer. And again, I do have 14 years of experience on this IT domain industry. I work as a principal cybersecurity manager in one of the MNC company. And again, I used to teach multiple domains, full stack web development, ML apps, DevSec apps, SEC apps, GRC, SOC, many more things. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
cool.
fine. Okay, fine. I'll share this. Where is this? Okay. I will open this one. All right. So this is Vishwa apps. Okay. So this is these are my buckets. So Vishwa apps and again Vishwa Sec are like my buckets. And again, so DevOps, yes, DevOps and again data apps, desk apps, and again SIC apps, and again AI apps, ML apps, LLM apps. Okay. Amit, I'm very happy with your all the three cloud technology knowledges, and again, also you should be so strong in all the operations here. Clear, right? I want you should become Amit apps. Clear, right?
Sure, definitely.
So you will be, it is possible for you, and again, you will be rocking, no worries. So FinApps, that's the one thing we need to add here. So yeah, data apps is repeated twice here. Basically, it's a Gen AI, and again, FinApps, right? See, DevOps is nothing but building CI/CD automation of. So I, Lanka Babu, good evening. Okay, I think he's in mute. Kanmuri, Lanka Babu, okay, fine. See, basically DevOps, DevSec apps, and again data apps, LLM apps, ML apps. What is ML apps? Automating the machine learning. What is this machine learning? What is automating automation? Models, version code, data, deploy models, AI monitoring, right? So these are the areas we need to focus on this ML apps. And again, AI apps detect anomalies. So this is for especially for SOC engineers, right? And again, incident analysis, auto heal systems, reduce alerts, all these things. Why I want to give all the basic information details here? Because ML ops means all the kind of operation domains we need to activate here. Clear, right? So ML plus DevOps is nothing but ML ops. Is it clear, right? Amit, Lanka Babu?
Yep, it's clear.
Yeah. Okay, let me wait. That's more than, yeah. And again, these are the security. So this, no need to worry about this one. SOC engineer, GRC engineer. No need to focus on this. Just we are focusing on this ML apps. Okay, Lanka Babu, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Kind
It's just now I joined.
Yes, yes. So meanwhile, before explaining this one, I want to take the student information here because already I have taken the Amit information. So yes, Lanka Babu, yours. Can I take yours?
Yes, you can take, sir.
Yeah, Lanka Babu. And your email ID you can copy and paste here. And again, meanwhile,
Sure.
student or working employee.
I will share in chats.
Okay, okay. So, hi Kailas.
Hi, sir.
Your voice is too low.
Hi.
Hi. So, meanwhile, I will take this information one by one. Then again, we'll finish it out of this one, okay?
Yeah, sure.
So, the reason why I need to correct this information in the sense, I need to understand. So, whether you guys are like a beginner, either it is a Git knowledge, either like something information.
సో యాక్చువల్లీ నేను డేటా సైన్స్ కూడా చేశాను.
Okay.
నాకు మామూలుగా స్ట్రీమ్ లైట్ లో డిప్లాయ్ చేస్తాను. మామూలుగా నాకు ఎంఎల్ ఆప్స్ నేర్చుకుందాం అనుకున్నాను. ఎంఎల్ ఆప్స్
Okay. But you are working professional, right?
వర్కింగ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్.
Oh, okay. How many years of experience?
I have 3.5 years of experience.
Oh, great. 3.5 years. Okay. Okay.
బట్ నేను క్లౌడ్ లోనే అంటే క్లౌడ్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్ గా చేస్తాను అనమాట. AWS అజ్యూర్ లో చేస్తున్నాను.
Okay.
అంటే మేము ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తాం.
Okay.
బట్ డేటా సైన్స్ అనేది ప్యారలల్ గా చేసి మామూలుగా స్ట్రీమ్ లైట్ లో మాత్రం డిప్లాయ్ చేస్తాను. డిప్లాయ్ చేయడం కూడా ఐడియా ఉంది నాకు, ఎందుకంటే డెవాప్స్ క్లౌడ్ నాలెడ్జ్ వల్ల. బట్ ప్రొడక్షన్ లెవెల్లో చేయాలంటే MLOps కానీ
Then again,
LLM ops కానీ.
Sorry to interrupt in between. Can I request if we can speak in English? At least I can even understand.
Sure, thank you. Actually, I have completed data science.
yes, please. Yeah.
Yes, but I'm working as a cloud administrator only. Now I want to learn MLOps or LLM ops so that I can know how to deploy in production.
Great, Lanka Babu. And again, you are very good at like Linux knowledge and again Git knowledge also.
Yes, I know DevOps technologies. I know I have already completed DevOps. I mean, Docker, up to Docker I have completed. I know how to containerize the application. But in MLOps, I have some confusion. That's why I wanted to learn LLM ops as well. I mean, LLM ops and MLOps as well.
Great.
Currently, I'm learning generative AI as well. That's why I want to know how to do in production.
Great. That also I'll explain that. No worries on this. Okay.
Thank
And again, Python knowledge. How strong about Python knowledge?
Yes, I have completed data science, right? That I know. I know how to, build the application. How to build a model.
Oh, great. You know that how to build the model also, right?
Yes, I have done so many applications as well. I can share my link and you can see that. I will share.
That's great, Lanka Babu. But the thing is, like, while building your own models, right? So, what are the basic default algorithms you are be using?
Here I have used linear regression. I have done only simple application only
Great. Okay.
for experience. But I have completed all the stuff. I know I have completed deep learning projects as well. But few applications only I have deployed in Streamlight.
Great. That's really great, Lanka Babu. Then again,
Yes.
we'll go with like an extra advanced, again, more understanding of this. Cloud also, you do have a cloud knowledge? Yes.
Yes, I have done AWS, solution architectures certificate. It's been almost 2 years.
Okay.
And I worked in Azure as well, but I didn't do any certifications on Azure.
Okay. Fine. No need to take it to the seriousness level, follow-up status, everything. So this is fine to me. And yeah, thank you, Lanka Babu. I'll come back to you. Okay. Kailas,
Sure.
how about you, Kailas?
Hello.
Yes, Kailas.
Hi.
So please paste your email ID so that.
Okay, MEHTI. I can
Sorry,
see
your voice is too low and again it is not audible.
Okay, just I'm texting in chat.
Yeah, please. And again, your voice is too low, so that we'll have a brief introduction on this.
Okay.
Yeah, and again, great year. So Hamid and again Lanka Babu is having great experience, so that we can go with a more advanced of our classes. And
Sure.
yeah, how about you, Lanka Babu? Sorry, Kailash? Are you a professional, right?
Yes,
Okay. So
but I
okay.
have 2 years of career gap right now.
No worries, we can fill that career gaps. I'll give that guidance also, how to fill your career guidance, everything. Okay.
Okay.
So which company you working?
A micro shield.
Microshield. So how about you, Lanka Babu? Which company?
I'm working in a Hewlett Packard Enterprises.
Okay, great. HPE. Okay.
Yes, I have deployed into client location. My payroll company is different. It's a Fidelis Group in Bangalore.
Oh, okay, great. Okay, no issues. So how many years of experience you do have, Kailas?
3.
3?
3 years.
Okay, fine.
IT.
So, IT background?
Yes.
Okay. Linux
Yes.
knowledge, yes?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
yes. And again, good
Yes,
Python
good.
and all
Cloud
cloud.
AWS.
Yes, all cloud, right?
Yes.
CI/CD knowledge.
I know a little bit.
Okay, intermediate. Okay.
Oh,
I have shared my project details, sir. You can go on.
Okay. Interested in MLOps and GitHub Actions,
yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, right. So, okay, I'll share this. I will open this also. Great. Let me open this also quickly. I'll come back to my introduction, and again we'll understand in depth here. Oh, health protection app, right? That's really
Yes,
good.
I have. Yes.
Oh, great, man.
It's
Diabetes.
basic application only. I just use linear regression. only.
No worries, no worries. That's really great. Okay. So
I have
suppose,
used Streamlight front end, and I
okay.
have deployed in Streamlight application only. It's a free web hosting application.
Oh, okay.
It's-
Okay. Fine. It's okay. No worries. We'll understand this completely information about this.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay. Now, so it was great, Lanka Babu. I understand, like, very serious about this ML apps and again GitHub Actions. You are too eager to learn and again too eager to achieve like more things on this domain, right?
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
All right. So finally, Amit, Lanka, and again Kailas. So Lanka Babu, I will call as a Babu or Lanka. Lanka is fine.
You can call me Babu. My friends call me
Babu,
as Babu.
Babu is fine to me also. Okay, fine, great. So quick recap about myself also. So I am Vishwanath. So and again my alias name is Veer actually. Okay, and again I do have a 14 years of experience on this IT domain industry. Currently, I'm working as a principal cybersecurity manager, right? Completely cloud security. I used to handle GRC consultant, and again I'm certified with the systems, CCI, SSP, CISO, and again CISA, and again ISO certified cybersecurity, all the domains. And again, I used to work with like end-to-end DevSecOps pipeline automations with security areas, and again application development, and again deployment, mobile application deployments, and again developments, and again model creations, and again agents creations, and again LLM model automation. Also, I used to do this. This is what my current designation, right? So parallel, I used to handle with the training also, and again I used to teach with the multiple technologies like Python full stack, and again Java full stack, and again all the operations. So and again quickly I will share this also. Okay. So before jumping into the topics about like what exactly we'll be learning, so this is my domain. Okay. I want like everyone should be become like all the operations engineers here, right? So DevOps, data apps, DevSec apps, LLM apps, ML apps, AI apps, SIC apps. So this is a buzzword in the market. What is this DevOps? What is this AI apps? What is this LLM apps? What is this ML apps? So what is the difference between LLM and again ML apps? Is it a correlation of ML apps to the LLM apps, or else LLM apps is different? Either ML apps is different. So how it will be combinations? We'll be working on this because in the current all the IT sectors, either banking sectors, either healthcare sectors, they'll be combining with Gen AI, ML apps, and again LLM apps, all the three together. And again, all the cybersecurity engineers, they'll be more going with SecApps with AI apps. Okay, I will take the first point, AI apps. So AI apps is nothing but completely, it will be detecting the anonymous threats, incident responses. All the SOC engineers, they'll be doing this, cybersecurity engineers. SecApps, again, they'll be working with the SIM tools and again SOC tools. But this ML apps, once the data scientist engineer, depending upon the application development, he'll be gathering all the algorithms, and again depending upon that algorithms he'll be developing the models, right? Either he can use the ready-made models, and again when he use that ready-made models, what he should be depending upon, he should be depending upon the data will be coming into the pod either with Excel sheet, either with CSV format, either with Paraquet format, either with the database. The data will be arriving. So what is the main target here? MLOps engineer is completely depending upon the data. You will be not depending upon the models, you will be not depending upon the algorithms, right? You will be completely depending upon the data. So with that data will be every time, every frequent seconds will be, it will be keep on changing, right? So once the data has been keep on changing, it will be pull that data, and again it will be retrain that model, and again it will be retesting that models, and again deploying to the environment. While deploying into the environment, it will be containerized that application with the Docker, either with any kind of containerization tools, and again it will be deploying to the environments. What is environment? Either microservices environments, that is a Kubernetes, right? That Kubernetes might be on premises, either with AWS EKS, either AWS CCS, either with Azure AKS, either or else Azure ACS, either with Google Cloud GKE, right? Those are the environments. DevSecOps, again, completely security, application security. DevSecOps is completely depending upon the application security. Once the developers will be writing that code, after writing that code, you'll be doing the SBOM, SAST, DAST, OSAP, and again web application firewalls, and also completely runtime application self-productions, software application protections, right? All this kind of automations will be done with DevSecOps. That's a CI/CD with security areas. Finally, data apps. So this data apps is depending upon the two types of data apps. One is normal data analyst data apps. Other one is data engineering data apps, right? There are two types of data apps here. One is, you can mention this one. One data apps is nothing but data analyst data apps. Other data apps is nothing but data engineering data apps. Data engineer is a engineer where you will be creating the infrastructure. After creating the infrastructure, and again will be loading the data which is already cleaned by either duplicate removed by data analyst. You'll be pulling the data from the different data sources like Snowflake, either data warehouses. You'll be pulling the data, and again you'll be doing the extract, transform, load from one format of data. Like example, CSV format of data, you'll be converting it to the Paracode data format, you'll be converting it to the Excel format, either with the CSV format to the XML format. So that is what is job with the data engineering data apps, and again data analyst data apps. But luckily, data scientist will be working with MLOps. If the developer, data scientist plus MLOps, no one can touch his profile. His career is too strong. That's one thing. Finally, DevOps is completely depending upon the web applications, either with mobile applications, either with desktop applications, either with healthcare applications, either with any kind of applications. That is what DevOps, right? So, and again, even though MLOps is completely models. Those models are also called by web applications, right? So now Babu has shared one of the link. So this link is model or web application? Babu?
Web application.
Web application, right? Exactly. Even the data scientist, even though like LLM apps engineer, either might be any engineer, right? What he will be focusing? He will be focusing on the web application automation only, right? So because data scientist, he will be writing, either he can write his own algorithms. No, he cannot able to write his own algorithms. He can able to write his own models. So models are depending upon the algorithms, right? I'll be telling that how many algorithms we do have, and again what are the ready-made models we do have, how we can use those, everything we can see in the next level, right? Before that, DevOps is web application, mobile applications, and again desktop applications. Same thing, MLOps engineer, you'll be focusing on all the applications plus data. So the data is a main concern for him, right? So that is one of the thing. Is it clear, Amit, and again Babu and Kailas?
Yes, totally clear.
Great. So I think one more new journey is there. Krishna. So hi, Krishna. Krishna, is it audible? Quick 1 second break. Krishna, I think okay, something is. Krishna, is it audible? I think Krishna is not audible. I think he is in mute. No worries. Okay, fine. We'll continue on this. So I'll go to the. So should I need to give little more information about this? Any kind of what is the roles and responsibilities? What exactly we'll be filling? And again after that we'll be going back to what is the MLOps prerequisite? What tools we are going to learn here? And again what are the projects, final year projects we can go? And again how the job opportunities are available here, right? So now this is what. Okay. Meanwhile, data apps. Sorry. Quickly, I'll be taking this. So complete a operations ecosystem, right? DevOps is a base foundation for all the operations. Even though for SecApps, even though for DevSecApps, even though for data apps, all the operation engineers, they require a DevOps. What is the DevOps is? DevOps is collaboration between developer and operation engineer, right? The same thing. How MLOps is correlated with the DevOps? Same thing. MLOps is nothing but ML engineer is a developer, is a data scientist, right? And again, you need to understand his development activity. And again, after that, you need to collaborate with all the operations. What is this? All the operations. Operations are nothing but what is operations? Operations are nothing but collection of multiple domains. Quick question about Amit, Kailas, and again Babu also. What is cloud? Before understanding this, what is cloud and again what is DevOps?
Um, Cloud is that anything we can access from the internet,
Okay, after that.
and we can manage services like EC2, S3. Suppose if you store anything, through internet. Suppose we, in simple terms, I can say, suppose if you store any data inside your laptop, so that is called as on-premises. Suppose if you store any data, uh, like Google Drive, there are so many applications out there, right, to store data. But
Okay.
we are accessing through internet. Then we call it as a cloud. It's a layman terminology. In a layman terminology, I'm telling you.
It is online storage system where we can store the data, we can access the data, we can
And we
maintain
can
the
manage
data.
services and
Great.
Can
So
I?
both the answers are too perfect. That's really great. But these answers are the least point when interviewers ask, right? The
yes.
answer
Can
should be
I
like this.
answer?
Yes, please, Amit.
Okay. See, first of all, you asked like cloud and DevOps. They both are the different terms.
Mhm.
Like cloud is like accessing the things over the internet. Like it has uh, come into market because with a model of pay as you go, it have eliminated the on-premises model, and that DevOps that is not anything, not a tool and all. It's like a practice that combine all the development and operational activities just to monitor, automate, and deliver the software fastly.
Yes, exactly. It's a method to deliver software.
Yeah, exactly. Both of the answers, and again, both of them are delivering the perfect way. That's really great. And again, all these are first low level answers. Okay.
Yes, low level answers.
Right? So now I want to make it to very clear descriptions. Like if anyone asks, what is a cloud? Cloud is a on-demand services where we can access the services through the internet by pay as you go model, right? So this is the basic generic examples with Google answers. Either with anyone can share the answers like this. But when I ask this question, like example, Krishna, Kailash, Amit, Babu, or four of the engineers, they need to switch to the company with a Google, either with Microsoft, either with Walmart, either with Cisco, right? When they ask this simple question, if we tell the same answer, it is not selected. Definitely it is rejected. How? We should tell something different from Amit, something different from Babu, something different from Kailas and again Krishna. How exactly we can deliver like this? Cloud is a collection of domains. Obviously, it is a collection of domains, right? Storage domain, virtualization domain, security domain, identity access management domain, right? And again, in the compute areas, operating system with Linux domain different, Mac operating system is different, and again, Windows domain is different,
Yes.
right? This is what exactly I'm expecting. Cloud is a collection of multiple domains, database domain, right? All the database engineer before cloud in the 1990 kids, they understand that if one engineer is working with a database, right, he will be working with entirely only database. Then again, if he is working with the networking, entire networking. And again, if he is working with like any other different domains, all the different domains, right? But nowadays, why cloud is into the picture? Cloud is a ready-made infrastructure as a service where we can access the services. That's true. But cloud is a collection of domains. Here, one Amit engineer, he should tell that I know only compute section, I know only storage section, I know only content delivery network section, I know only networking, I know only ML apps. I mean, in the AWS cloud, there is a ML apps, there is a IoT apps, right? There are many sectors, right? He should be strong in cloud security also. And again, cloud IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, container as a service, network as a service, desktop as a service, everything, right? That's a simple. And again, is it clear, right? Cloud is a collection of multiple domains. Now, coming back to the what is DevOps? DevOps is a collection of tools where we need to understand and again integrate and again we need to connect the dots. How exactly? From the source code management tool to compilation tool, and again after that artifactory tool, and again after that CI/CD tool, and again containerization tool, provisioning tool, configuration management tools, monitoring tools, logging tools, notification tools, documentation tool, feedback tool, monitoring tools, right? These are the multiple tools you need to make the connectivity. How? With the help of CI/CD, right? Generally, DevOps is nothing but IKE, PAK, SAK, infrastructure as a code, pipeline as a code, security as a code. This is what IKE, PAK, SAK, infrastructure as a code, pipeline as a code, and again, security as a code. And again, what is a cloud? Cloud is a collection of multiple domains, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, CaaS, and again, FaaS. Is it clear, right, everyone? Same thing, MLOps is also HIKE, POC, SOC, and again, MLPOC, machine learning, data scientist, pipeline as a code. Any confusions? Is it making a sense? Amit,
It is.
yeah, thank you for this. Yeah. So that's why, because nowadays everyone are great engineers, everyone are cloud engineers, everyone are AI engineers, everyone knows Python, everyone knows machine learning, but there should be something different from Amit and again something different from Babu. That's why the people lack skills to stay in IT companies with great package. They will, rather than complaining, my manager is like this, my manager is like this, and again I'm not able to sustain their jobs, and again rather than telling this is what exactly we need to focus. We need to deliver the contents in the different format. Okay, I feel that is it making sense? Yes, Babu.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have one query. So without DSA, can we get into product-based companies like Microsoft and Google?
That's damn sure, that's possible. Data structure is just a combination of data types in depth of, that's it, right? What is there in that?
No, with DSA, we have DSA, data structures and algorithms. That is the initial round of Microsoft company and Google. Usually they will ask DSA questions, but it is very difficult to understand, sir. So,
Adding
What
to
is
Babu's question, like even this is very common question. Even see, I am in my third year of my college. Even I
okay.
wanted to know that I have not chosen the path of web development as my peers have done. I have chosen DevOps and all. Like I have the knowledge of the cloud technology, and I am learning day by day the security and the other tools. So I just wanted to know, like the same question, like is DSA is important there? Like
Uh,
whether they need, they also need that cloud engineers, right? So
but
are
initial rounds they will ask DSA only. That's why they will check your, understanding level. Yeah, and ability to, understand the problem and solve the problem. That's why they will ask DSA questions in the initial rounds. Then they will go for your technical things, what you have learned.
exactly? Yeah, yes, both of them, Amit and again Babu, that's correct. They will ask, but they will not ask in depth, right? Okay, I'll make you to explain this one in DSA. No worries. Before that, for both of them, for four of them, I need to ask one simple question. Then again, I can understand to how much level I can deliver all my contents. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we'll take this first question from Babu and again Amit and again Kailas and again Krishna. Okay. From Babu. Babu, now you are in India. You need to travel to Australia. How are you going to travel?
Through flight.
This is a question, an interview question. They will ask this simple question
Yes.
to make you to understand DSA system, right? And also completely technology. For that, if you answer this question perfectly, you are super strong. If you're not, I will make you that. Okay. Yes. How you travel from India to Australia? I want high level, mid level, low level answers.
I will book a flight from Hyderabad or Bangalore because I'm currently staying in Bangalore. Then I can reach to Australia.
Okay. Any other question answers like this? Any other
No,
answers, Babu?
no, I don't have any answers.
Okay. Amit, how about you? Kailas?
like if we talk about the traveling from India to Australia, like see, ideally yes, the same answer that I'll be checking the flights and all, like flight timing and all. But yeah, see, booking a flight, that is an idea and that is the path. But if we wanted to break it down, okay, which particular airlines I wanted to choose at what time and where, particular in Australia, it's not like Australia is only a single place. See, I don't know whether my answer is on a right direction what I am speaking, but yep, ideally we can break these things and we have to prepare the itinerary and all.
No worries. Just like, I'm expecting like answers from the different guys. Okay. See this. I mean, in my classes, I'm not making only the content delivery from the PPT, PDF for us like in and out. What I need to learn. Apart from this, how we need to crack the interviews, how we need to sustain the IT jobs with the great packages with the different skill sets, and again stronger way. That's what like my classes. Fine, Amit, and again Babu for that answers. Kailas and again Krishna. Any apart from my question is how you will be traveling from India to Australia. High level, mid level, low level answers.
Same answer as and Babu.
Same answer.
Yes.
Okay. So I think Krishna is in mute. I think he's not opening. Okay, no worries. Can I say the answers? Amit, Babu, Kailas. Okay. See, high level, mid level, low level. I am expecting like this. High level from India to Australia. How we can travel? First, high level, waterways, roadways, airways, railways. That's high level. And again, in the mid level, airways, I can pick the airways. I'll be booking the, I mean, I'll be checking the public transport flights, private flights, either with like what is the time aperture, I mean arriving, departure, right? And again the next one, low level, where exactly I need to onboard, off board, and again what is the time, what is the braking area, and again what is the cost, and again what is the benefits from that, what is the insurance, and again how safer I can travel from there, what is the flight models. This is what expected answer. Does it make sense?
Yes, it's a system design concept, right? A high level
Exactly.
design and low level design.
Exactly. That's why, like, in interviews, just an example, in Google also, if we tell directly book the flight, take the timings, this is Indian fellows, they will ask interview answer, they will be satisfied. But in top MNC companies, who will be the interviews? First one will be Indians. Second level, US candidates, UK candidates, Canadians, right? They will expect high level, mid level. What do you guys say?
Yes, I understand. They need more explanation than
Exactly
solving
right.
the problem. I got.
Same thing, DSA and again algorithms. Why they need? Only for the eye level to explain, to understand what you guys have learned. What is the use of that? That's right. Apart from that, nothing on this. What is array list? What is a stack? What is a queue? What is a linked list? What is a hash map? What is a tree, right? What is a
Yes.
graph? Algorithms. What is algorithms? Searching algorithm types, sorting, recursion, and again greedy, dynamic programming, how to write dynamic programming, right?
And we have remote jobs as well, sir, but they won't ask DSA problems like this in remote
Yes,
jobs.
depending upon the company requirements wise. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Anyway, so this is what like my basic information about this. So we should be. That's what like I said that everyone having a great skills, but they don't know how to deliver the proper areas with the proper skills. That's it. Right. So now, so anyway, great Amit, Babu, and again Kailas. It is a great interactions, three of them. Okay. Now this is the jobs here. So now operations are nothing but collection of multiple domains. Even the cloud is also collection of multiple domains. What is the operation guy? MLOps is nothing but completely DevOps, right? MLOps is nothing but cloud, and again operations is nothing but cloud. In the cloud, to operate this cloud, like example, if I need to create, see, ML engineer, he will be writing his own models by using the default algorithms. After writing his models, right, where we need to deploy. That's what operation engineer will be doing. ML ops engineer. What ML ops engineer need to concentrate? Linux operating system. You should be knowing the Linux commands, shell scripting, Python scripting, Docker, Kubernetes. These are the main areas you need to know. So for this, you need to understand GitHub Actions,
One
either with
question,
GitHub,
sir.
GitLabs, either with Jenkins, right? There are multiple CI/CD tools, but the current in the market, in the global areas, GitHub Actions is the top in the market. Clear, right?
I have one question, Veera.
Yes, Kailash.
If I want to become a MLOps engineer, I need to perfect in DevOps tools like Docker, Kubernetes, or other tools like Ansible and other tools.
Yes. So anyway, those tools also I'll be teaching here in this class, ML Labs.
Okay.
But in the ML Labs, I'm concentrating about the models and again model data pulling, data retraining, sorry, model retraining, model training, model validation, and again model tracking, model experiments. So all these are I'm doing this one. But Docker, how to create a Docker image, how to run the image from the container, and again how to deploy this Docker image into the Kubernetes. That's what I can show you here, right? But in depth of Docker Kubernetes, that is not in this class.
Okay, but companies will allow for MLOps engineer without DevOps engineer.
MLOps engineer, will they allow DevOps engineers? Of course,
Without
because
DevOps, without DevOps.
without DevOps, no, at least you should have a basic knowledge, Linux, shell scripting, Python knowledge, and again what is the machine learning, what are the algorithms they do have, and again what are the models they do have. That's it. No need to become a complete Python developer on this, but you should know at least Python data types, Python conditional exception handling, loops, functions, classes. That's it. That's very easy that you can learn.
But right now I am a developer, mainly developer. Will they allow me to become a MLOps engineer if I
Yes,
suppose?
you are a developer, right?
Yes, yes.
Java developer.
No, mainly developer. It is a Java-based tool.
Yeah, you will be allowed. No worries.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, fine. Yeah. If all goes well, if we connect with Amit, Kailas, and again Babu, Amit and again Babu with our class, right? Kailas, no need to worry. You can become too strong in the development in the ML labs.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Right. So just quick recall, what DevOps will do. Developers will be writing code, pushing, build, deploying, running the pipelines. That's what they will be doing, right? DevOps, Linux, GitHub, shell scripting, Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD. This is for common for all the operations. ML apps, LLM apps, AI apps, DevOps, DevSecOps, SecOps. Fine. Optional, they can learn Terraform, Ansible monitoring for them. Okay. What is the day-to-day jobs? Build pipelines. This is a DevOps engineers, right? Build pipelines, deploy applications, manage infra, fix deployment issues, improve uptimes. When it comes to the DevSecOps, same thing. They will be focusing here SaaS, the DAS, software composition analysis, static application security testing, dynamic application security testing with the WhatsApp app, and again software composition analysis, and again software bill of materials, threat modeling, secret scanning, everything they will be doing here. What is their job? Add security check, CI/CD, scan code images, fix vulnerabilities. Nowadays, DevOps is also nothing but DevSecOps, right? This is what. Next, security engineers, they will be focusing on SIM, SOAR, EDR, cloud security posture management. Here, endpoint detection and again responses. Here, completely SOAR and again SIM. Clear, right? So this is a completely they'll be focusing here, right? Security information event management, SIEM, and again this is a SecOps. This is security orchestration again automation response. This is what they'll be focusing. And again, day-to-day jobs, monitoring alerts, incident responses, threat detections, compliance monitoring. This is SecOps engineer, cloud security analyst. But now, when it comes to the data pipelines, again, here we need to understand MLOps a little bit. SQL, everyone they should know. SQL, Python, Airflow, Spark, Kafka, data warehouse, CI/CD. It is also part of MLOps engineer, right? But this data apps with the data engineering, they will be building with ETL, extract, transform, load, data quality checks, pipeline monitoring, right? And again, job titles, data apps engineers. This is data engineers we should tell. Finally, our job, ML apps, model operations. How we can generate model? What is a model? Model is a combination of collection of multiple algorithms. We'll explain what is algorithm, what is model, how to create our own models by calling different algorithms. ML models, productions, monitoring. Here we should know Python, Git, Docker, and again, see, source code management tool. That is what GitHub also we should know. And again, data version control system, DVC also we should know. Both the tools we should know, right? And again, cloud. So, and again, optional Kubernetes. This is what day-to-day job, train models, version data sets, deploy models, monitor drift, retrain, pipelines. This is what end-to-end, right? Finally, ML ops engineers. We'll go with like in-depth of later point here. And again, this is ML platform engineers. In the market, platform engineers are the more very, very great openings. Next, LLM apps like ChatGPT in productions, OpenAI, long chain, vector DB, and again prompt managements, observability tools, right? That's why like prompt is graphoning, observability tools. Manage prompts, optimize responses, control costs, everything. LLM apps engineer, AI platform engineer. Finally, AI apps engineer is also a security engineer, monitoring tools, ML models, log analytics, NLME, anomaly detections, Python. So this is what they will do. But little bit like if I want to go with like in detail, so this is what SRE engineer they will do is AI apps. Gen AI, again Python, LLM AI APIs, all this. I'll go like okay, we can say DevOps, deploy applications, DevSecOps, secure pipelines, SecOps, protect systems, data apps, move data, ML apps, deploy models. Simple. And wait, late. Okay. So I don't want to DevOps, like, no. Yeah, it is a combination of ML apps, right? ML apps plus DevOps. That's why it's called as ML apps. Talk with the developers when build fail. I mean, when suppose Babu is a data scientist, he will be developing one of the model, and again, while compiling that pickle compilation, build failure issues will be available, and again, Hamid will be communicating with Babu. So how to resolve this one? That's what build fail, CI/CD, permission, secret, SAML errors, create a new pipelines for new microservices, environments management, Docker, Kubernetes, all this. And again, these are the points we need to take care here also. Like monitoring CPU, memory, joint incident calls during outages, rollback, optimize, automate manual steps, support releases, document infra. This is what ML plus DevOps engineers need to take care. This is one part. Feeling like everything breaks, DevOps is called first. Of course, MLOps engineers also will call first. This is for web application and again desktop application. Even the web application is also a collection of multiple models. I don't want DevSecOps. If suppose currently MLOps we are doing, but MLSecOps also will be available. MLSecOps, same thing we should integrate here. Whatever the sec is, right? Example, I communicated here. Once again, I already spoke here, right? These are the things we should take care. SecOps. Like this is a shift left security, shift right security, supply chain security. This is what we need to focus. This also. We are not concentrating ML apps, ML SecOps. It should be combination of DevOps and again DevSecOps. This is also they should take care. ML apps engineers. What data scientists will do? They will be developing models. That's it. Now, once again, I'll show this. This is what again. We should follow all this. Secure Docker images, base images, handle false positive, false negative cases also, working with the developers to fix findings, review vulnerabilities, stop insecure builds automatically, add security scans, review pull requests from the GitHub, right? Many more. Security without slowing down delivery. Finally, SecOps, this one is not required. This is also not required. Yes, here comes our ML apps. What is our day-to-day roles and responsibilities before learning the new tools? Automate model training pipelines, version datasets and again models, deploy models to productions, monitor model accuracy, detect data drift, detect model drift. What is a data drift? Data means what? One of the Excel sheet in the CSV format. That data might be different data set. It is arriving today. And again, that data we are taking, and again, we are calling that model to analyze that prediction. That if the data has been getting any error, either with the old data, anything is missing, then again, model is also failing. That's what they need to detect. For that, they should do this automation. Trigger retraining workflows, debug failed training jobs, optimize inference latency, manage machine learning artifacts, right? And again, working with the data centers daily. Those guys are developers, Java developers, and again Go language developers, either with Python developers. But this year we are working with data scientists, right? And again, ensure reproducibility, handle cloud ML costs. In AWS cloud, we are taking our project completely end-to-end project in the AWS cloud only. Okay. Tomorrow I will be showing like one of the demo, and again I will be sharing the syllabus also. What exactly we'll be doing, and again how many tools we are going to learn, and again how depth we can understand. And again handling cloud ML costs, supporting A/B testing. What is this A/B testing? Any idea about A/B testing? High availability,
No.
blue-green deployments. If
Okay,
one mission,
blue green deployment and high
exactly.
availability. Yes. Okay.
Yes, yeah. And again, prepare models for audits. Model worked yesterday, failed today. Fix it. Over the engineers, MLOPS. Is it clear, Babu, Amit, Kailas?
Totally
Yes.
clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is what like more in depth of like day-to-day activities here. And so LLM apps is not required. Few more content I have written here. Once again. Yeah. So these are the tools we should learn, right? Machine learning, Linux, Python. So anyway, in our syllabus, I'm going to complete Linux. So the minimum Linux commands, the basic Linux commands, like 50 Linux commands, and again few concepts: data connectivity, data transfer from one machine to other machine, and again process management, shell scripting, and again Python scripting also I'll be taking. And again these two tools are common. Like Git is a version control system, and again GitHub Action also CI/CD, and again DVC, data version control system. Okay, we can also use Git LFS, Git large file system, that also we can use, but better we can use the DVC. ML frameworks, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Docker Kubernetes, MLflow, Kubeflow, CI/CD with GitHub Actions, Cloud ML services. That is what AWS we are going to use. Okay,
So do you teach LLM ops as well in future?
exactly. LLM apps, AI apps also. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay, so finally, day-to-day work. According to that, this is what the 12 scenarios we are going to do our learning classes. Not with basic reading, basic learning. Deploy ML models to productions from the development to production environment. Versions, data sets, and again models. If one version of data is differing, how to implement with the other versions. Automate model training pipelines, monitor model performance, detect data drift, retrain models, how to train the models, how to retrain the models. But if you guys are developers, we can develop, we can invest in one weekend. We can develop our own models for the how Babu has been developed with the basic application like healthcare predictions, right? We can also develop our own applications. Like example, loan predictions. If the CIBIL score is very less, which banks are getting, which banks will be giving credits to us? Like that is one of the major important for right now in the market, because there is no, if there is no CIBIL score, there is no banking will be giving the credits to us, right? Any loans to us. So that's why we can take it out the one of the sample application. For that, what kind of algorithms we should use? All this, okay? Yeah, this is what we are going to do here, okay? If you want, I will show this LLM apps also, basically. LLM apps also same thing. OpenAI, Hugging Faces, we should learn this one. Vector databases, same thing. Any questions, confusions here?
Sir, you will integrate all these tools, right, in the end of the project.
Yeah. So this is what like end-to-end ML apps, CI/CD. These are the tools. First, I will start with Linux, Python, shell scripting, and you can get DVC. I'll show the syllabus also once again. I forgot to share this. See here? So advanced again industry grade ML apps, machine learning for freshers with basic Python, data scientists, ML engineers, DevOps cloud engineers. Okay, this is my syllabus copy, and again GitHub Actions also both. Okay.
So will you provide notes as well for every topic?
Yes, exactly. For every topics, notes, and again video recording session also from DURGASOFT team they will be providing to you.
And along with code, right?
Yes, along with code. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is what completely course philosophy. Module 1, AI, ML, DL, and again ML apps foundations, deep dive. So before taking this module 1, I'll be investing like one weekend, completely Linux commands, shell scripting, Python, right? Then again, after that, I'll be moving to the module 1. evaluations rule-based, AI and again ML fundamentals, ML lifecycle, like in data sourcing, data validation, feature engineering, model training, model evaluation, deployments, and again monitoring, and again retraining. And again, what is ML apps? Everything will be taken care of here. Okay. This is what like till now we communicated this one. Research ML versus production ML. So this is what exactly. And again, module 2, Python for production machine learning, environment managements. And again, module 3, data engineering for ML apps. Right? And again, module 4, machine learning algorithms. This is what here we are going to learn in depth. Like what is the algorithms? Linear and again logistic regressions, tree-based models. So here Amit, Kailas, Babu knows that. So Amit and again Kailas, you guys know what is algorithms and again what is models, right?
Yes. See, algorithm I know, but
Yeah,
talking about the model, I only know that okay, it's a collection of the function and the algorithms that work on behalf of us.
exactly. That's it. Yeah. So we can develop our own models, like example Amit model, right? For that model, we can call like any kind of decisions here. Either decision tree making also we can call, either with linear regressions, logistic regressions, anything. Okay. But how to choose which algorithms need to develop for which model? That's what our predictions. Rather than choosing blindly with any of algorithms, that's not important. So I'll share all in the classes. Okay. And again, evaluation metrics, model explainability, and again, module 5. Module 5 is ML experiment tracking, like also. And yeah, here tools like ML flow. Module 6, data and again data versioning. So Git and again DVC, end-to-end and so on. And again also GitHub Actions is a separate for this. Okay, separate syllabus for that. And again module 7, ML pipelines and again workflow orchestration. This is what DAG concepts, tools here. CI/CD. This CI/CD I'm going to use GitHub Actions only end-to-end. And again, this GitHub Actions syllabus also, I'll share this once. Just a moment. GitHub Actions. This is the GitHub Actions syllabus also. This is the topmost syllabus, like module 1 and again module 2, module 3, here module 4, module 5, 6, 7, and again 8, introduction to GitHub platforms. And in GitHub security, this is very important. Okay, GitHub security, how to call the environment variables, secrets, everything. Okay, and again introduction to CI/CD, GitHub actions, events, runners, jobs, steps, everything. Tomorrow I'll show one of the demo into the GitHub actions with calling the environment variables and again CI/CD activities with Python. Okay, and again how to call the default runners, either with how to create our own custom runners also. Okay, so these are the two syllabus here. One is ML apps, other one is GitHub actions, right? So that's why it will be taking like 8 to 10 weekends the class. Okay, so and again
Weekend in the sense you are saying that Saturday, Sunday will be clubbed to one weekend, right? That's what
exactly.
okay.
Okay, if we need like for each weekend we are going to investing our time for 3 to 4 hours.
Understood.
Saturday 3 to 4 hours, Sunday 3 to 4 hours, nearly like 7 to 8 hours.
Total, how many
Got it.
projects you will teach?
So I will take like 8 to 10 weekends, 8 to 10 weekends, because we should learn GitHub actions in depth. That's why.
No, time is not the concern. Only thing is that the curriculum should be a depth and a production based.
Exactly. This is what basically GitHub actions I can show only the 2 jobs and again I can run, because I have mentioned here like in detail, right? Security, GRC and again ML apps like this.
That's what even market is doing. Like they are publishing the training and they just cover 1 or 2 scenario. They don't care about the real time production questions. And I love the way like you asked the question in the beginning, like okay, what as an when you enter to a like when you went for a interview in the production based company, like product based company and all, like how you should answer your question. So that's
Exactly.
really good.
Yeah. Thank you, Amit. Yeah, thank you. Sure, definitely, no worries. So I'll make you like end-to-end year implementations, okay?
Sir, will you provide interview preparation as well? How to get
Yeah,
into
interview
MLOps?
preparations also I'll give like 1 weekend we can connect to the interview preparations and again we can learn in depth here. Okay.
Total, how many projects you will teach?
So I'll be teaching like any we can pick loan predictions 2 to 3 projects. Okay. Finally, so module 7, module 9 here also APIs. So this one like pickle joblib onyx. See what is this pickle joblib onyx? What is this compilation output of the package? This is what, okay, generally. And again APIs also I'm communicating containerization for Docker. Here this is what Docker will be taking. Kubernetes, how to create a Kubernetes, and again how to create a cluster, what is Kubernetes, and again how to deploy the pods, and again nodes. Okay, this is what I will be doing. Finally, cloud MLOps. We are going to use AWS Cloud MLOps. AWS MLOps we are going to use, not Azure MLOps and again GCP MLOps, because we don't have a account for this. So I'm going to take this AWS MLOps. If you have an account, we can also implement this also, Azure and again GCP both.
I do have an account, I do have an account, developer account in the Azure. Like I do have that Visual Studio subscription for Azure, and AWS, yes, I do have that free tier.
Okay, great. Then again, we can do that also. No worries. Okay.
No, because see, my primary cloud where I do have expertise is Azure. So if you cover the AWS and give a glance about the Azure MLOps services, because I know there is only one service in the Azure for the machine learning.
Yes,
So
that's
if,
what the Azure ML.
so if you can give an insight on Azure platform, that will help.
Sure. That also, when we have an account, right? When we have this session, I'll give the insights for that. No worries. Yeah. But we are taking the completely AWS ML apps. S3 bucket, in the S3 storage bucket, we'll be keeping our data sources like in any format of data. We should understand the data formats: Excel, CSV, JSON, XML, Paraquat, and again OCR format. This is what we need to understand, the data formats. So after taking this data formats will be stored into the SageMakers. Here comes our models training and again endpoints. And again, this is what Elastic Container Registry. All the pickles and again Docker images we can store here in ECR. And again, this is the permissions for the machine learning notebooks, right? To communicate and again to interact. And again, finally, we can monitor with the CloudWatch.
Okay.
This is, and again, model 13, model monitoring. So this is completely into the AWS cloud. This is outside model monitoring, right? This is what we are going to use here. Prompt is Grafana, either with evidently AI. This also we can use. Prompt is Grafana, 3 tools we can use. Okay. I mean, what is this monitoring tool? Metrics, model metrics. This is the model metrics. We are going to use this one. Okay. And yeah, security governance. If we want security governance, we can audit the logs, and again we can secure the pipelines also. This is where like MLC capsule comes into the picture, because when we deal with, I'll show this. Sorry. Please also understand, when we are dealing with, especially with the data apps and again ML apps, both the operations will be dealing with the data only. So for that, we need to understand, in my Vishwasik concept, we need to understand GRC, governance, risk, and again compliance, right? Because data, if the data is European clients, what is the compliances we need to follow? GDPR. If the data is from Indian clients, what is the compliance? DPDP. Means what is this? Data Privacy and again Data Protections Act. That is the Indian government, right? So, and again if it is a US, different. And again if it is a Australia, different. That's what we need to understand. Little bit of GRC concept, risk assessment, compliance audits, because we are dealing with data only, right? So for that data, what kind of data? That's what like if it is a regulatory readiness, GDPR. I'll give this overview. This is like just if you read with theoretical concepts like in your part time 1 hour, that's more than enough. This is it clear, right?
Definitely. You can tell us the way, like these are the extra material which will help you to grow. You can share it with us. We'll go through it.
Yeah, sure. So meanwhile, so please, yeah, I'll be sharing these images too once our class joins, right? I'll be sharing these images also, and again all those PDF materials also, okay?
Sure.
Because
And
today,
even it would be better if you can share your GitHub repos link.
yeah, sure, I'll do that. Yeah, I'll do that. So I'm still like, developing like few of the stuff there. Once I'll be sharing for you, okay? No worries. So this is what right now everyone are focusing ops. Why not security, right? That's what here all the security engineers need to learn a lot. Yeah. At least you guys can focus on this GRC, fine. Because we are dealing with the data only. Just imagine if you guys with a GRC engineer, with MLOps engineer, right? And in cloud, great, fine. So finally, our projects, customer churn productions, either with banking loans, either with any kind of data, okay? Pipeline, data injection, data validation, feature engineering, model training, experiment tracking, CI/CD, cloud deployment, monitoring training. This is what we are doing this one.
Understood. Mm-hmm.
Fine. So finally, job roles, MLOps engineer, ML engineer, AI platform engineer, cloud ML engineer. Finally, interview preparations, ML apps architecture questions. Oh, meanwhile, here also deliverables, GitHub repository with end-to-end CI/CD GitHub actions. Okay, and so architecture questions, scenario-based questions, failure handling questions, freelancing and again consulting. Right? I'll be giving this also. And again, finally, course outcomes, designing enterprises grade ML apps platforms, deploy and again scale ML models in cloud Kubernetes, implement CI/CD pipelines. Clear, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This is what end-to-end here. So one of
Okay.
the sample, I'll show this architecture, right? Beginners. For this, what is the beginner here? Data source. This data source will be keeping it to the any kind of the storage area. From there, we'll be pulling that data. For that, we will be creating models. From that model training, we are calling this data. Data versioning will be happening. Again, model training, model tracking, and again, finally, model deployments. So how will be deployment will be happening through the APIs. And again, finally, deployment into the cluster and again ECS cluster. This is what. Sorry.
Understood.
Yeah. Any questions here? So this is what here are the tools: DVC, Git, Linux, Python, MLflow, kubes. Clear, right? MLflow, Python, DVC, S3, and also AWS, and again Docker, Kubernetes. Clear, right?
Clear.
Any confusions till now?
No way.
Okay, fine, Amit. So Babu, Kailas.
No.
Okay, so tomorrow one day also will be practical demo will be there, and again after that coming next week and weekend onwards we will be studying our regular classes. Is it fine?
Cool. Okay. Help us
Okay.
with two things more. One is, see, we are clear with the curriculum that it's designed on the basis of MLOps plus the GitHub action, like the CI/CD, correct? And we'll
Exactly.
be having the basic idea and all. Okay, this all part is clear. How we will be interacting once we enroll in the course? Like there will be any Discord link, or there will be any channel, Teams channel, or maybe there will be any WhatsApp group, like
No,
how?
exactly. They'll be creating the WhatsApp group also. Yeah, we'll be creating the WhatsApp group there,
Uh-huh.
and again I'll be yeah we'll be creating WhatsApp group, and again will be interaction there. Okay, and again they'll be creating like separate link for regular classes.
Okay,
Clear,
got
right?
it. Cool.
Okay. Okay.
And that recordings will be stored on your, I think, platform.
Yeah, their platform in the DurgaSoft platform. Yeah.
Okay. And that is it a web interface or like a mobile application?
No, both are there. Both are there. Yeah.
Both are there. Okay.
Both are there. So
Hmm.
I want like, everyone should need to learn like in depth of practicals, and again need to be like more practical scenarios. Okay, that's what
De-
my aim. Okay.
Even definitely we have enrolled for the same.
Okay, sure, definitely.
And what about job growth for MLOps in future?
Yeah, that's good actually. See, currently it's a good question. There are n number of openings, especially with this MLOps, because everyone required this models automation engineer, and again models troubleshooting, and again models security, and again models CI/CD. That is huge growth, equivalent to DevOps.
Okay, understood. Okay, like see, for a I am working as an cloud
Okay.
SRE.
Any
Okay,
questions now? Okay.
Veera,
Okay. So, sorry.
I was asking like, see, I'm working as a cloud SRE. So for me, like I'm already in this learning cloud platform and all. So this will be an like value add, right, to my resume that I know that these kind of things like ML tools and all,
Yes. Yeah.
like, or whether I have to switch my role from DevOps to an MLOps engineer.
Yeah. You can switch easily with yeah.
Okay,
Any questions? Yeah.
not from me. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Then again, can we end our session here today? So tomorrow, the same time we can connect, and again we can have a one demo, and again how to call multiple algorithms, how to list how many algorithms, and again simple. We do have a three practical projects tomorrow. How to create our own Python package, and again how to push to the public repositories, not for the GitHub. Like suppose I want to show Amit, Kailas, and again Babu. You guys know that if you doesn't have in your local system pandas, how you will be importing? Pip install pandas you'll be doing, right?
Correct.
Yes.
Pip
Exactly.
install
Right. So that pandas where it will be stored?
in a
Any idea?
C drive.
No. See, if the pandas is not available, when you run the command,
Mm-hmm.
pandas, right? Pip install pandas, pip install metaplot library, pip install scikit-learn, right?
Mm-hmm.
And again pip install many more packages,
Mm-hmm.
request packages. Where it will be stored? It will be stored here. Where? It is not in the C drive. This is what pandas. See, they will be storing here. This is a completely production live server of Python packages. All the Python packages will be stored here, right? See, this is like suppose you search my name Vishwa. There is a multiple models will be pushed here. Clear, right?
Okay. Uh-huh.
Same thing. I want Amit data apps, Babu apps, Kailas apps. How to build our own Python package, and again how to push to here. So suppose if I want to push Skykit, suppose if I search, so Skykit learning, many of them are pushed here, right?
Oh, sorry, I had interpreted the question on a wrong direction. Oh,
Yeah. So I want everyone should need to push here the packages. See now in VS Code or else any IDE tool will be downloading pip install pandas. If we don't have a pandas, we'll be downloading like this command, right? Like this. Who is a contributor here? See the contributors are. So wait, I'll show this. The contributors, yeah,
It's
these
like
are
a
the main
Docker
links.
hub, right? How we push our Docker images to the Docker hub.
Exactly. Yeah, like this Python team, they do have their own servers. See, these are the developers. These are the developers. They've written the pandas library. And again, this is what the code it will be doing this one. Here it will be explained in detail.
so you mean that at the end of the course we'll able to perform all these things.
Exactly. By end of the day, or else in the tomorrow practical session, also in the demo session, I'll be showing this how to create one sample Python package and again how to push to here.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's right. What is Python module? And again, what is a Python package? And again, what is a Python library? Any differences? What is the difference between Python package, Python module, and again Python library?
Library is a collection of modules.
Library is a collection of packages. Package is a collection of modules.
There
Module
is
is,
a one sequence.
yeah, module is a collection of classes,
Classes and functions.
variables,
I mean, yeah.
functions, loops,
Yeah,
control
yeah.
statements. Clear, right? Tomorrow I will show how to create a modules, how to create a package, how to create a library, and again how to post to here. That's one demo. Second demo, MLOps. Third demo, cloud and again GitHub Action CI/CD. Clear, right? 3 practicals. Any
Okay.
questions?
No.
So please blindly don't join. Please, even if we attend one quality class, makes a lot of sense. I want a quality of learning, a quality of listening the classes, a quality of questions. Because end of the day, education system matters a lot. And again, I'm not here to make a money to join many students. Even the less students also we can make it out very quality of education. Is clear, right? End of the day, Amit should need to refer to a few students. Yes, Vishwa is that Veeraj is a trainer. He taught bit of great education with quality. That's what I need name. Okay. Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you, Amit, Kailas, Babu. So if you have any questions, we'll have, or else we'll wind up. Okay.
We are good for the day, I think.
And
Thank
I
you,
have
Veer.
one more question. Suppose once
Yes.
we complete this course,
Hmm.
we can add these tools in my resume, right?
Definitely, 200%.
For how many years of experience we can use with this kind
This
of knowledge?
this my sharing of my knowledge here. You can showcase minimum 3 to 4 years of experience in the ML apps.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Thank you.
Sure. Okay.
Thank you, Veer.
Thank you. So
Good day.
Thank
good day.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Wish you the same everyone. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.